How to link PayPal to your Microsoft account. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can link your PayPal to your Microsoft account. To link your PayPal to Microsoft account, first sign in to Microsoft.com. Go to Microsoft.com and then click on sign in. After sign in, click on your user icon and then click on Microsoft account. Now on the left panel, go to the payment option, click on that. After that, here you will see payment method. Just click on add new payment method and then on the right side select your country, and here you will see e-wallet. Just select this, select PayPal. Now on the bottom right corner, click on next. Now it will redirect to PayPal sign in option. Now enter your PayPal login credential. After that, click on login. After that, it will be connected to your Microsoft account. So that's how you can do that. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.